Let me guess. You sit down to study or work. You plan to be productive. And 4 hours later, you realize nothing got done. The assignments are still there. The deadlines are closer. You feel guilty, stressed, maybe even worthless. You're not lazy. You're not broken. The truth? Most students fail at time, not because they're incapable, but because they don't understand how their brain actually works. Today, I'll show you exactly why it happens and how to fix it, step by step. Stay with me. This one will change how you manage your day forever. Why students fail at time. Let's start with the hard truth. Most students fail because they confuse being busy with being productive. Scrolling social media? Busy. Watching random videos? Busy. Rewriting notes for the fifth time? Busy. But productivity? That's something else. Psychologists call this attention mismanagement. Every distraction, every multitask, every tiny scroll fragments your brain, reduces focus, and eats hours without you noticing. Real productivity isn't about doing more. It's about doing the right things at the right time. And the good news? This is fixable. Morning. Win before the day starts. Your morning sets the tone. Here's why most students fail. They start reactively. Phone buzzes, check it. Emails, reply. Notifications, scroll. By 10 a.m., your brain is already exhausted. Here's the fix. Own your morning. Step 1. The 3 most important tasks. Every morning, write down your 3 tasks that matter most. Not 10, not 7, just 3. Example. Study 2 chapters for the exam. Complete 1 assignment draft. Practice a skill for 30 minutes. Step 2. The first hard thing. Do the hardest or most important task first. Don't wait. Don't procrastinate. Science backs this. Completing high-impact work first releases dopamine and sets momentum for the day. Start here, and you've already won before lunch. Afternoon. Focus versus distraction. Afternoons are when most students fail again. Why? Energy drops. Motivation dips. Distractions strike. Here's the truth. Every time you switch tasks, your brain loses up to 20 minutes of focus trying to refocus. That means a 10-minute scroll could cost you 30 minutes of real work. Here's the fix. Time blocking. Set 45 to 60-minute blocks for focus work. Turn off phone notifications. Limit tabs and apps to what you need. Mini hack. Use a 10-minute rule. When you feel distracted, commit to just 10 minutes of focus. Most of the time, you'll keep going. Reward yourself after each block. Stand up, stretch, grab water, scroll 5 minutes. It trains your brain to associate focus with reward. Evening, reflect and refocus. Evening is when habits stick or fail. If you end your day exhausted and scrolling, guess what? Your brain starts normalizing wasted time. It becomes a habit. Here's the fix. Daily reflection. What did I do well today? Where did I waste time? What's my one priority for tomorrow? Spend 5 minutes writing this. It rewires your brain to notice time leaks and plan smarter. Tip. Prep tomorrow's 3 most important tasks tonight. You'll wake up with clarity, not panic. Mindset hacks to stay on track. Time management isn't just about schedules. It's mindset. Hack number 1. Progress hours. 2 hours of deep work greater than 8 hours of busy work. Don't chase time spent. Chase results. Hack number 2. Zero guilt rule. If you waste time, don't beat yourself up. Guilt drains energy. Reset immediately and ask, what matters right now? Hack number 3. Energy is currency. Sleep, nutrition, movement, they fuel focus. Without energy, time management fails, no matter your plan. Hack number 4. Protect your identity. Call yourself someone who gets things done, not a procrastinator. Your brain acts according to your self-image. Quick action plan. Let's make it simple. Do this tomorrow. Morning. Write 3 tasks. Do the hardest first. Afternoon. Use 45 to 60-minute time blocks. Try the 10-minute rule. Evening. Reflect. Prep tomorrow. Note 1 wasted task to fix. Mindset. Progress over hours. Protect energy. Reset guilt. Do this consistently for 1 week. Your brain will start respecting your time. Confidence and results follow. Emotional moment. I know how it feels to watch days slip away, feeling stressed and behind. I've been there. But here's the truth. You're not failing. You're just not using time the way your brain is wired to succeed. Once you start, focus and results feel effortless. You'll feel like you've taken back control of your life. Let's recap. Most students fail at time because of distractions, low energy, and reactive habits. Fix it with morning wins, afternoon focus, evening reflection, and the right mindset. Protect your energy. Chase results, not hours. Start today, not tomorrow. Control your time, and you control your life. If this helped you, like, subscribe, and share with a friend who's struggling to manage their day. You've got this. I'll see you in the next video.